85-pound springs are bullshit.
Yeah.
Tell us why, Steve.
Oh, I read a whole article on why, but apparently Facebook decided to remove it because it was in my notes section or whatever. But anyways, yeah, it's complete total bullshit. So 85-pound springs are not worth 200 and however many dollars. Yeah.
Well, let's talk about why they're bullshit. Because if you rate them at install height, I mean, you might as well just kiss the springs because you're not even putting enough pressure on them to even. I mean, that's like poking a bear like a little bit, like if it's asleep. I mean, whereas when we rate them halfway through the path of travel because a spring is going to spend most of its life either halfway open, halfway closed. And so when we rate them, people ask me all the time, well, what do your springs rate? Dude, mine are like 170. It doesn't mean anything. Right. It doesn't mean anything because nobody's going to install them at that height. But we're crushing them because we want to really know which, be able to separate. If there's a bad one, it's gonna really show up,
and
it won't show that up on an 85
you can check a spring at installed height that will check at 85 pounds, and then halfway through its travel, it checks 4 pounds lower than one that checks at 80 pounds on the seat.
Yeah.
So it's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Marketing ploy by a scammy company.